Jump.
Chuck.
He's right in the same spot too. I know.
I need a hair tie. Does anybody have a hair tie?
Yeah.
What with you? Hi.
I know he is.
What? Tanya, your dog bit my foot.
Oh, sorry.
I thought it was a she.
Well, it says your dog bit my foot. I didn't say he or she bit my foot.
I don't remember.
Somebody called it a he. It's
My friend, she told me how to draw this thing, and it looks super cool, but I don't remember how to draw it. That reminds me of Heifer. Wait,
from
I'm
Rocco's
afraid of my
Modern
ball.
World.
Yeah. Taffy, come here.
Did I do it wrong?
Taffy. You're a shame. You know, I hope my neighbor doesn't get mad.
Which one is
Oh
what?
well. It's the one that looks right here.
It's just chalk.
You can erase it. Probably gonna erase it anyway.
And then draw a new one.
Taffy! I'm gonna cook you.
I had issues with skateboards, huh?
Yeah, she doesn't like things that move.
I know, I was like,
Tell her to bring me people.
hey, you're stereotyping against yourself.
What?
Nothing.
Is that a freaking cow?
Maybe.
Why are you making the grass pink?
Oh, that's a cute one.
That's pretty nice.
You're like an anteater. Candy!
Give me your blue.